Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Honorable Speaker, sir, it is with a very heavy heart that not just me, but I'm sure the entire House is here today. When last week, right after the session began, towards the late afternoon, the sad news came to us of the sudden demise of one of the sitting members of this House, late Shri S.K. Sunn. I was asking our Honorable Leader of Opposition, who has been in this House, I think, longer than any other member, that whether there was ever an occasion where a sitting member passed away while the House was in session. And he was telling me, fortunately, that never happened in the past. And this is most probably the first time in the history of this House that a sitting member has passed away while the House was in session. Sir, it pains me, and I'm sure each and every one, to be standing here today and looking at that empty chair of late Baha S.K. Sunn, a person who had been with us for the past 3.5 years in this House. And I think, needless to say, every member in this House will remember his contribution to this House and his contribution to his constituency and to the state as a whole, especially with the deliberations that he used to bring to this House. So that was the last memory I had, or our last meeting I had of him. And really, sir, we all, I think, all of us have got very fond memories. I remember last time also when we were having this discussion, the special motion, which he had brought on the boundary and the border issue. He went into the details of all the facts of all the last 25 plus meetings that took place between the chief ministers and the chief secretaries of Assam and Meghalaya. And I was planning that while I replied to his motion, I was planning that I would start off by saying that most of the issues have already been, facts have been brought out by you already, so my homework has been reduced, is what I had planned that I will say today, and of course address the concerns that he had. But unfortunately, that opportunity will not come. And as I said, we all are very shocked with the news that came in. At this point in time, I'm sure that the people of his constituency, his family members, his friends, all must be shocked and saddened by what happened in such a short time. Nobody have expected it. I would like to express my deepest condolences to his family members, especially his wife and his children, and also to his constituency people who must be missing him, a person who has been very, very committed to his constituency and to his people.
Ya u virus ru tieng, ya ketika ru tieng. Sakat no ken ni empungnya. Ai ketika COVID khat khandai. Kanoy kun persya ya keni ka khlam.